I beg for your table scraps. I really liked your Sea-Doo Gator Pro article. That was very close to the Canadian Moose Pro April Fool's joke that I did.
Yeah, except this was real, right?
That was real. It was legit.
So just for those who aren't aware, we did a story about a week ago or in the past week. Some guy in the Northern Territory of Australia, which is in the tropics. It's one of the most remote parts of Australia. And it's so remote, they don't even bother with jet ski licenses or jet ski registration because it's got a sparse population in a vast landmass. But it's apparently great for fishing. The only downside to that is the crocodile-infested waters make it difficult to navigate. And guys have been attacked in tinnies. I don't know what you guys call the small, like tin open boats in the US. But
yeah, a dinghy.
Dinghy. Okay, right, a dinghy. So there's guys have been attacked and killed up there in dinghies or tinnies, as we call them.
Right.
And then there's a bunch of mad guys who go and fish off jet skis. And one guy's thinking, this crocodile's getting a bit close. So he had a local fabricator design a cage. Anyway, so yeah, there's some weird stories like that. And we've got some crazy adventure guys. One guy has ridden around mainland Australia after doing the island of Tasmania. He then backed up 2 years later and circumnavigated New Zealand. So I don't know what he's planning next. Yeah, this guy's in his 60s too. He's a former pilot, former motocross
Jeremy
racer.
Burfoot.
Yeah.
Jeremy, right?
He did it with a buddy. He's the former Qantas captain. So
yes.
Lindsay Warner is the first one to do it solo.
Okay. All right.
Subtle difference, yeah. Solo, but with a camper van following him along the way. But this is the guy you might have seen. We've had him. He's got a Kawasaki Ultra LX 2015. He's got like a ton of fuel on the back on a sled, as well as whatever he can put in the ski. So we cover a bit of that stuff, but also we kind of have to go there because America gets the jet skis before we do. We're opposite seasons. So by the time I get on it and I've got to scrounge around and borrow skis off friends, or some dealers are very kind enough to help us out from time to time. So our reviews certainly aren't to the same cycle as you guys, but we have a go.
No, I think it's great. And I'll tell you what, you've put out some videos that really made me jealous. I was like, damn it.
Yeah, but not the quality.
If you were a clown, I wouldn't worry about it. Like, no one cares. But I'm like, oh, man, his voiceover's on point and editing's nice. I'm like, man, this looks like an actual, like, news, like a channel did this. And I was like, crap, he's good. Hey, guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.